for you, Major.
Nice.
I Major has to take a drink.
No, it's only for I get it. Otherwise, you guys will be claiming citadels left, right, and center.
I can show evidence of mine,
We'll
mate.
be doing 15. The Azuma will be doing 15 citadels with HE every game.
Yeah, that's what it does. It's a strong ship.
That sounds like Major a you problem.
Very true. Alright.
I've got that saying spreading through the workplace. Now the new detail is using it too. Anytime there's a dirty car, sounds like a me problem.
Jim, g'day mate. How you doing?
You got that cap, Major?
Yeah, getting into it now.
Alright, I'm going to have to do something really silly and push into a Marco Polo.
Taking shots on a rune.
There's a Colorado.
Hope he doesn't
Need it.
escape.
Oh, he's just going to shoot me with bloody... He's not shooting at me. That's always good.
Torpedoes, dead ahead.
Whoa, where'd those torpedoes come from?
We're hull below the waterline. We're flooding quickly. Problem solved, sir. Torpedoes, direct front.
Come on, that's looking good. That's looking good.
Oh, damn it.
Hull breach.
I'm in trouble.
Getting on water quickly.
So am I.
Go away, Colorado.
Rune knows how to citadel me.
Can I citadel a battleship?
Within 10K
Torpedoes, direct
probably.
front. Torpedoes to starboard.
There's a friggin' Nasashio here. Not a Nasashio.
Hull breach. We're taking on
Actually-
water quickly.
What's here? Just... I'm dead. That's a Sejong. I could not spot the Sejong. Bloody hell. Took out my engine and I couldn't do anything. Alright. Well, I might do this giveaway while you guys are winning this game for us. And I'll be back in a moment. Alright guys, last chance to get in the giveaway. Hashtag 500 dubs. Yeah, exactly, my man. Last chance. I'll give you another 30 seconds. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Closing it up. Last chance. All closed. All done. Alright, got 15 people in here. Good luck, everybody. Ida, are you still here and paying attention? Are you still here, Ida? Are you here? Or are you pooping? Alright, you got 30 seconds. Come on, Ida. Are you here? It's gonna be a redraw, I reckon. I think this has happened to Ida before. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sorry, Ida. All done. Dissimulate. Oh, that's rigged. Are you still here? Alright, Dissimulate. If you want to whisper me with your in-game name and server, I will sort that out ASAP. Yes, my man, I know it's still rigged. Sorry, guys. Yeah, so Dissimulate. Jump onto that really quick, and I will sort that out straight after the stream. Well done, everybody. Thank you for entering that. No, is Dissimulate got that? No worries about that at all. Okay, let's get back into this game. Let's find Major and Razor. Sorry, Major, you didn't win.
I would have had to have entered.
Well, there is also that. Are we going to lose this?
Shouldn't do.
That Synop is very low.
I need that CV lit up again, though.
We need that, and Eisenhower dead. Oh, he got the sub. That's alright. Oh, Ida. Where were you? I had to redraw it.
Sorry, I'm a bad second host. I should have told them to jump on over to your side.
Oh, very nice, Major. There you go.
Alright, we killed the aerial demons.
Yeah, but you know you got to worry about the sub.
Is the sub still up?